Hey there guys, today I'm going to padlock for you. This one's going to be a LSDA padlock. I got this padlock from Jay Dee. There's a close-up look of it. So Jay Dee, thanks for sending this lock out. This lock does have security pins in it. I'll give you guys a look at the key bitting here. There's the key bitting. And on the bow of the key it says LSDA 801. The lock does work. Get them unlocked here, unlock them back up. There it is, unlocked. Gotta unlock them back up. Like I said, this lock definitely has security pins in it. To pick this lock, I'll be using my Peterson pry bar, the thin one. I think it's called the Lite, Peterson pry bar Lite. I'll go ahead and put him in here at the top of the keyway. And I'll be using my Peterson #1 hook pick from his Euro series. And once you start picking this lock, once you get him into a false set, it's much easier, but the first step is to get him into a false set. I'm just going to go in here at the back of the keyway, start pushing up on my pins. There's the third one. Felt like the first. Got reset, try it again, something didn't feel right. There's the third one. First. Second. There's the second right there, I think. So from there I got them into a pretty good false set. And now it's just a matter of getting out of that false set a couple of times. And you should have the lock open. So there's one. Back on my first pin again. There it is. Picked open. So I went from my third pin to my first pin and it popped right open. There it is, picked open. This is going to be the LSDA 40mm. As always, thanks for watching and you guys have a good one.